Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss if you have to use site links and branding options into your ad section. We're going to discuss about these two settings. We're going to go into my PC and I have an extra PDF given to me by a meta rep, which is about another option that you have with catalogs. It's similar to site links. This is why I want to include it also today, and maybe you can test it because I don't think that it's harmful, not for any other reason. You know my opinion about Advanced Plus creative with AI enhancements and all of that, and that I don't use them except from relevant comments. Let's go to my PC and let's see how and if we can use those settings. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. So I have created this campaign just to show you where it is. Over here on the ad creative, just above, you're going to be able to find these options over here, which are not bad options. This is why I'm making this video. If I didn't believe that they're good or bad, I will let you know. Here you can have the text tone. For this brand is friendly, approachable and inviting. Our tone is energetic, enthusiastic and occasionally playful. If you don't know what to write here, I guess go to ChatGPT, okay? Visual style, monochromatic, high contrast, clean typography, simple composition, neutral backgrounds, bold headlines, strategic negative space. It can take those also from your Facebook page sometimes. Here you can have the different colors, you can apply the branding, you can have the logo of the brand. Sometimes in some placements, for example, I believe one of the placements is the search, on the search bar, for example, you can appear as an ad over there and it's going to put your logo as an image over there next to the name of your brand or whatever. Then we have the site links. What are the site links? The site links appear below the image and they're going to be just some small icons that you can go and you can put, for example, bestsellers, new arrivals. You can put hats, you can put scarves, you can put whatever you want. You are going to put the thumbnail over here, you're going to put the display label, the URL. The minimum that I like to use on site links is 4. I wouldn't use less than 4 over here. And you have the option of doing the same thing with the catalog, which is going to appear random products below dynamically. Basically, the people are going to see the ads that also you have this over here. I forgot to say on the site links, tap more or something for the last over there. Okay, so here you have the different options for the catalog, and of course you can choose your catalog over here on the top from the edit sources, and you can find the proper catalog for this. Over here it's going to have dynamically the products that the people have seen into your website or the products that they are more likely to buy. This is why the catalogs are called dynamic catalogs. For sure, these are settings that I don't consider bad. You can test them and you can see if they're working, especially if you're selling clothing or other items that that you can have good results with this product or the site link. There's a new setting also, which is coming from a meta rep. So let's go in a PDF. Let me show you what is this new setting, and maybe if you have it on your ad account, you can also test it. So this is the PDF. It says shows products and stuff, and we're going to see a little bit more visual how it looks. It looks like this. This is how it's going to look also on the catalog. The site links are much smaller comparing to the catalog items over here. In order for you to use those, okay, they have some things that it's working very well and all of that to convince people to use it. Here, it's how you can do a test, but here we have the option. It's going to appear like this, add creative. Okay, select and optimize your ad text, media and enhancements, get started, and it's going to give you the option on the creative setup to add the catalog, and you're going to have the option of actually doing that. In Advanced plus Creative, it's going to appear like this, okay? So let's read all of this. Catalog already populated from past setups. It's like the setting that I showed you before. A visual show how these products will be showcased in the ads. Advertising can change the catalog and product set selection. Basically, this is the area that you're adding your creative, okay? So it's going to be your creative, but you're also doing this setting here on the creative setup, the first step. Edit source if needed to change the automatic catalog selection. Very important. Sometimes it used to auto drag a catalog which wasn't the correct one, especially for freelancers. That's the worst nightmare, for example, to run ads for a person and below products from another client of yours to appear to the same ad. So it's very bad. You need to have the option to change the catalog and be sure that you're using the correct one. Products from your catalog and product set will automatically populate. When complete, click next, blah, blah. And then in enhancements over here, if you confirmed or added a catalog on the top step over here, you're going to be able to use this option over here, add catalog items. It's going to be toggled on by default and you're going to be able to use that. So you have the option of doing it like this, or with the previous thing that I showed you, which is also another option for you to be able to use it. I asked the representative if this option with AI enhancement is different from the other one. She didn't have an answer for me, sadly. So I don't know what to tell you about it. To me, they look the same. For sure, site links are more safe. I have tested them more times and they are working better, but this looks like it's the same philosophy, so I don't think that it's going to look bad. The site links are looking like this, by the way. Do you see? They are much smaller over here. You have the makeup and stuff, while this one is showcasing products. I think that one disadvantage over here, which I have seen, is that you cannot use a product set. Oh, here says, okay, perfect. See, here it says change catalog and product set. So here you are going to be able to control and just put a product set, for example, of bestsellers, which I think that this is going to be the best thing to do. Just do a product set of bestsellers and use it with a catalog. For sure, two settings for you to check, especially if you're selling many items or clothing. And
a few moments later,
I have tested and it didn't hurt me, at least. I cannot say that it improved the results immensely, but it didn't hurt me like other AI enhancements have done.
I know you. You know you. And I know you know that I know you.
Test it and let me know in the comments if it's something that's working for you. I will see you for the closing of the video. That's all. I think you should test them. They're not going to harm you. I have seen them working in some other accounts and I don't consider them one of the bad settings because they give more options. Now about the AI enhancements, they're crazy. I don't know what they're going to do, but for sure I'm going to test them a little bit. But in general, I don't trust them a lot because they tend to do crazy stuff. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, all of these kind of things. A super updated course with everything inside, theory, new videos are coming all the time when I have something to say. Also, I'm adding a lot of new Chosen 5 sessions from my students, and we're going to add more in this Q4 also from the Black Friday period, most likely. And you can see below all the testimonials from people completing it and how they really liked it, because it has basically everything inside. That's why I named it the best Facebook ads course in the world. And we have also Chosen 5, which is my mentorship programs, the Inner Circle and the Chosen 5, where you can see below all the people that they have completed, what they have to say about it. It's not for everyone. You're going to be filtered if you're going to join or not, but for sure, send me a message, maybe you're going to be a good fit or not. Most spots are filled for the Chosen 5 because everybody wants to optimize with me daily on the Q4 and especially on the Black Friday period, but maybe we can find a solution, I don't know. Until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.